Hello, my name is Clint Zeagler. I am a senior research scientist at Georgia Tech, and I'm going to present the Wearable Technology Designer's Web Tool. So this web tool is meant for anyone at the beginning of a wearable technology design project. So if you were creating anything that you would interact with or would sense biosignals on the body and wear on the body, this web tool would be useful at the beginning of a project. The tool starts with questions about the type of wearable technology project you're working on and has a heat map on the left and questions on the right or on the side. And as you answer the questions, the heat map builds up and develops in real time to show you where on the body might be the best appropriate locations for your design. The tool also includes scales of importance. For instance, if the main purpose of the design is to be a heart rate monitor, that would mean that the heart rate monitor function would be more important than other aspects of the design and thus should be rated a 5. And as you change those scales of important from not that important to extremely important, you'll see that the heat map changes with saturation or intensity. The questions are designed to reveal accessibility issues with designs along the way. For instance, if a designer answers that the only input will be speech input, then a warning requiring a response will indicate that some people may have issues activating a device with a single input modality. The same would be true for some of the sensing questions. So if you're sensing movement, it would explain where that might come into question, and also output. So when you're picking output and talking about which outputs you're thinking about, it will let you know if there might be any issues with accessibility there as well. Because the tools should be used early in the design process, designers are reminded to think of all possible users with an eye towards universal design, baking in accessibility at the start of a project rather than as an afterthought. As you interact with the web tool and answer these questions, besides building up this heat map, questions are being stored and a design document is being built that will be emailed to you at the end of using the web tool. The design document includes a number of different things. It includes the heat map that you put together. For each section you answered, it will build up the pertinent information that you should have. It also contains design and accessibility considerations. These considerations might be thought of as guidelines of a sort to aid a designer in thinking through their project. The document will also contain a multitude of academic references for deeper research and some case studies about the different aspects of wearable design. It will also include tutorials and resources pointing to construction methods for prototyping wearable technology concepts.